Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select an app, for example Play Store. Now click Home button and select the other one, like Browser. Click Home button as well and this time click on the square button over here. Now select split screen at the top left corner, hold one of your apps and drag it to the top. Then let go and click on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and tap Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!